Normal ke nyami kamal ke Nuer online TV channel to kon ke leer mi bukon lim gwasme mi jiram jidit ke Nuer online TV channel gorjen o jindir leer me der jenyo nasun ko ken ke der subscribe ke der notification bell der jetwan ko bler ti chamala shukaje aler balin gwasme chala do ne te ke nyam tot mi te karun dangwan mi shaka pin adol mi tot mi te karun bangwan re which keller county nyam tor mo te karun dangwan ka dol tor mo te karun dangbongon jeno wacha gar tor mo acha kapin ka do brana chalat keja police ne tintere which keller county shikan la no shaka yode ka shiem mane gat ka tor mo te karun dangwan no cha nyadien tor mo te karun dangwan cha kapin adol me te karun dangbongon ke che je twai ka bom chala no shi police chicken chuwa an gwasmo ka shwa dol tor mo chwajo yore which chwajo yor ka tijen ke cha de yen riga mo tugo ka juang payam an gwad ma cham mobile court chari aleka re which ki unit state ka kor gwade paiwe and go ba mi take ramishiran kapin ki mi te ramishiran na ki mi take mi dien mi shalat chi mi don te mi dol kwal ba chwa mala loka ka pet na me chwa jala no ko gwase dan antam gar to me mi te run dangwana chaje chika toy kana dol to te run dangbongwana chago jino no mo der shwadul torum shwachu yiɛn ka dobrana chalat kejen. The police in states of Läär County say they are holding 9-year-old boy for defiling a 4-year-old girl in Juang Payam. Well, on Wednesday, Konchan Kulang, the deputy director of police in the county, confirmed the incident, which is said happened on Tuesday evening. A 4-year-old girl child was defiled by a 9-year-old child boy. We arrested the small boy and is currently in custody at the county headquarters in Läär. We are investigating the case, he explained. The boy was arrested on Tuesday after we were informed that there was a rape case in Juang Payam, and we sent police personnel to arrest him at his family home. For the last few months, the government of Unity State and National Justice Minister and the Unimist Department of Rule of Law established a mobile court in Unity State to try a backlog of rape, murder, and other cases. Gujedi na me en lugo me deje lugudi ganum tot metekurun dangwan mi chatu dol metekurun dangwan deje lugudi ngum tuok mini sharu garpin gwasmo dob dande lukaje ka gan meto metekurun dol tot ngum dangwan rongo ko jen deje yen kata jen ke charge de yen mini lat gwadmo mini sharu garpin ene biata ko mal ban nyo jemro di bawai